The following is instructions to assemble the Harvestaire 40-foot MacDon courier knife. Here we have CB003 left-hand tail section. This will be connected to CB006 centre section by the MacDon Lickety Spice Kit. Harvestaire will supply 3 knives, spare knives for this section. The centre one will straddle the join. The countersunk section needs to go on the bottom of this section, and these countersunk bolts need to go up through that section, followed by this section, the plain holes, taking these nuts, the cone lock nuts. This process will be replicated by joining CB005 left-hand head section back to CB006, the centre section, by the same process with the lickety split kit. Located on the right hand section. We start with the tail section, CB002 right hand tail section, and this will be connected to CB006 centre section by the same process illustrated in the last section. And finally, CB006 centre section will be connected to CB004 right hand head section, again by the same process.